This tutorial demonstrates how to create a slideshow with Flickr and embed it into an EIU web page using OmniUpdate. Start out by logging into your department's Flickr account at flickr.com. If your department does not have a Flickr account, you can still create a slideshow by signing up for a limited account for free. Once your account is created, sign in using the sign in link in the top right corner. Then enter the ID and password and click Sign In. You'll be redirected to your photo stream, which is an overview of the activity within your account. To create a slideshow, we must start off with a set, and if you need to upload photos, use this uploader here. For this example, we already have photos uploaded to our photo stream, and we're going to organize those photos to create a set using the Organize and Create link at the top. You start off with a batch and you turn batches into a set. A batch is just a group of pictures that you're trying to modify collectively. For this example, we're going to be turning them all into a set together. So click and drag the photos from your photo stream below into the batch. And then turn this batch into a set by clicking the Add to Set link at the top. And for this example, we're going to title it Slideshow. Then you may also add a description, just for future reference later as you're coming back in and viewing your sets. Click Save in the bottom left corner, and now you'll see that our slideshow sample set appears here with the other sets associated with this account. Click the set, then click Open Set Page in the bottom left corner to go from your set creation page to the set view page. Here within the set view page, which is also accessible from your photo stream by clicking Set, you can click Slideshow in the top right corner, which turns that set into a slideshow. Now, if this is the slideshow that you want to embed into your page, pause the slideshow, then click Share in the top right corner. Click Customize this HTML to change the code that we'll embed into the OmniUpdate page. We want to do this because we want to set the size of the slideshow so that it fits nicely in our Eastern template. For a 2-column template, use a max size of 735 pixels, and for a 3-column template, use a max size of 535 pixels. For this example, we'll use a page with 2 columns, so I'll set it 735 in the width, which is the first field here. The second is the height, but it will adjust itself automatically proportionate to your width. Below, the code has been generated that we will embed into our OmniUpdate Eastern template page. So select all of this code and copy it. Then visit eiu.edu/apps/global to access the Global Site Manager login. Type your user ID and password, and then click Submit. Log into OmniUpdate by clicking the Login to OmniUpdate link on the left, and then select the account that holds the website that you're trying to modify. For this example, my Eastern ID and password has access to only one account, so I'll select the test account, then click Login. That test account has multiple websites associated with it, so select the website that you're trying to modify. For this example, it will be Test Site. Bypass the welcome screen by clicking the Content tab in the top left corner, and then select the page that you want to embed your slideshow into. For this example, I'll create a new page. Click New in the top right corner. Then select the template that you want to start with. Since I set a size of 735 pixels, I'm going to use the 2-column template. Title the page, then change the name of the file so that when you come back into OmniUpdate you'll recognize it. Then click Create. By default, the template is filled with some text that we'll need to erase. So click Edit at the top, then click Edit Main Content, and we're replacing that portion of this template with the slideshow. So click HTML at the top to view the HTML source code view, and then replace the text in that field with the text that we took from Flickr. Then click Update in the bottom left corner. Within this preview, you'll see a placeholder where your slideshow will appear. Click Save in the top left corner, which is a picture of a floppy disk. View your slideshow to make sure everything's set the way that you'd like, and then click Publish Now. You may choose to add a description, then click Publish. This pushes your template into an actual web page accessible to the world. Click View in New Window to view that web page. See that our page now includes a slideshow by Flickr. To add photos or take photos away from your slideshow, you won't need to make any changes within OmniUpdate. All you'll need to do is go back to Flickr and edit your set by adding or removing pictures. And those changes will be automatically reflected in this embedded version of the slideshow in your Eastern page. For more information about Flickr slideshows, the Global Site Manager, or OmniUpdate, contact Jay Graybeck in the CATS web office.